Hello everyone, my name is Prakash. You can see behind me there is a very natural place. I'm in Kenya. Let me show you the place. And here you can see a lot of car here, and people are here with family. You can see there they are enjoying, and here you can see they are all Indian. Now here is my family. I'm going to ask them a question, and they will answer it. We are going to meet one by one. You can see his name is Piyush Srivastav, and he's been here in Kenya around 4 years, and he's going to explain how is Kenya and how is Kenyan here, how is the work culture.
Myself, Piyush Srivastav, and I'm here in Kenya is almost 4 years. And before that, I was working in another African countries.
It's called
So
Gabon.
yeah,
Something.
it's Gabon, and it's my total experience about 10 years. I love African, I love Kenyan, and if I talk about the Kenya also, it's incredible in terms of climate and the pupils. From my heart is Kenya. I love Kenya. I love Kenyan people. I love Africa.
Thank you so much. I'm happy to hear it. Now is the next. His name is Amit, and you have seen before in many videos. He's with me. So today he's going to tell you how is Kenya and how is the work culture and the climates. And because he's here in Kenya around 10 years, so he will tell his experience.
So hi, I am Amit Kumar. Also, you see me in your previous videos. So about the Kenya. Kenya is a beautiful country.
You tell me the minimum temperature and maximum temperature in Kenya.
So like now is the month of May. So now here the minimum temperature going to 12 degree and maximum temperature is going to 22 degree maximum. So but if you go to India in this month in the May, so maximum temperature go to 40. If you go to the UP and Bihar region.
Actually,
So
we belongs to UP and Bihar.
yeah, we are also belongs to UP and Bihar. So if you go to that region, that temperature maximum go to 44 and minimum is nowadays having 35 in the
So
UP
in
and Bihar.
overall, in the whole year, in 365 days, is the maximum is
That average temperature is 25 degree and the minimum is like in like 11 and 12 degree. That one is coming in the night.
Mombasa is
So
somehow hot because it's the costly area.
actually Mombasa is the coastal region. Always anywhere in the country, coastal region is always hot.
And it's Kenya is not very big. It's like around
Like
UP
half
and
time of the UP.
yeah,
If
yeah.
you compare to the Uttar Pradesh UP, Kenya is half of the UP.
And
Okay,
there is a
but
lot of climates there.
yeah, but the climate range is the variant in here. If you go in the north side of Kenya, you get too much rain. If you go the south side of Kenya, you see the dry. If you go to the west side of in the Kenya, like in the Mombasa, you get too much hot. If you come in the middle of the Kenya, like the Kitengela, Nairobi, you get a moderate temperature like from 20 to 12 degree to 25 degree.
Okay, tell me how is the Kenyan?
They are listening you very nice and with the discipline they are very good. Like even I worked in India, I worked in Nepal, I worked in Bangladesh. I know some people from the UAE, but here if you shout somebody for the some reason, they listen, but others countries they cannot listen. They respect you too much.
Some people coming under here, they are making some videos. How is Kenyan? Kenyan is not good. Don't go there. And I have seen so many people, so many videos on YouTube and Facebook.
What they are doing, they are making that type of video only for the views.
And one thing I want to tell you, and for the tourists, there is a lot of video on the channel. There is how you apply the visa, how to get how to book the hotel. If there is any problem in visa, you can contact me. There is a lot of detail in the videos. You can check out the channel. The channel name is Kenya Travel.
I just want to mention one thing. Issues and problem is everywhere in the world. So no one can say it's about this country or that country. Simple things that how someone explore about that country. If you want to focus on the reality, you can follow us our channel.
There
Okay.
is a lot of information.
There's a lot of information, and back in future also we will update you about different places, different countries, different culture, atmosphere and everything. Come to Africa, come to Kenya, explore Africa and love to Africa.
If any
That is
problem,
my last message. If you have any concern about anything, you can contact with us, you can connect with us. We will guide you as much as we can do. Thank you.